Can I use Vaseline on my face? Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damla. In today's video, I'm going to be answering this particular question. So stick around and do not go anywhere at all. Alright, so Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. I spoke about this particular Vaseline in one of my videos. I spoke about how to identify fake versus original, so you might want to check it out if interested. So let me just talk about this particular Vaseline. This Vaseline basically helps to seal in moisture on your face. Since we're talking about the face skin, right? It will help to seal in moisture. So majorly, if you want to use it, you're using it after you're done your cleansing, your toner, your essence, your serum. Then you want to use it as a moisturizer. It would help to let everything that you have used in terms of your toner, your essence, your serum to stick to your face. So when you hear sealing in moisture, that is what it will do. And if you're someone that doesn't, like to use all those things like the essence, the toner, you don't like to go through, or you don't have enough funds for, going through all those routines, you just want to use your cleanser and then your petroleum jelly, you know that your natural moisture is being retained because you are using something like this particular moisturizer. I'll call it a moisturizer. It's a Vaseline jelly, right? So that's actually what it's going to help to do. Is it good to use it? Now, bear in mind that this particular Vaseline is non-comedogenic. That means it should be good for people that have oily skin. I'm going to say this. If you want to use this particular Vaseline, it depends on your skin type. It depends on your skin concern. Now, I said it earlier on that it is non-comedogenic. That means if you have oily skin, you can use it. That means you don't have to worry about acne, right? I know I said it. But what is your skin type, first of all? Do you have dry skin? Do you have oily skin? Are you combination skin type, normal skin type? Now, if you fall into all these categories, of course you can use this Vaseline on your face and you are good to go, no problem. Especially for those of you that have dry skin on your face, you need something to lock in moisture very well on your face. Let people see your face and be like, it's not the same person that was having dry skin the other time. What did you use? And you tell them what you use. But you need to please note all these things I'm about to say. What is your skin concern? It is very imperative. If you are doing a consultation anyway and people don't ask you, the person that you're consulting with is not asking you what your skin concerns are, then you should think twice about it. Now, what is your skin concern? If you're someone that you already have a lot of acne on your face, you have breakouts on your face, and then you now want to start bringing Vaseline on your face and be rubbing it on your face, and you think you're going to get a fantastic result, it's going to help to cure your acne, it's going to help to make your face look good, I'm going to tell you that you're wrong. Because if you're going to use anything on your face at that moment, your face is extremely sensitive because you have a lot of acne on your face. I'm not talking about people that have sensitive skin type. I did not mention sensitive skin type here. You have acne on your face is already sensitive already. So anything that you use your face can get sensitive to it. So you need to be very, very careful not to use Vaseline on your face when you already have acne on your face. What you need to do at that moment is to patch test, this Vaseline around your neck area. Patch test it first. Be using it for a while first. Let your skin on your face heal. Like your face, let it heal first before you now say you want to apply Vaseline on your face. Vaseline is not for acne. It's not an acne treatment. It's not going to treat your acne like treat your acne. I'm sure Vaseline alone, if there are people that do videos and say Vaseline, they use Vaseline petroleum jelly and it helps to treat your acne, I'm sure they use something else aside Vaseline. It's not going to treat your acne alone. Vaseline helps to treat wound and all, but not acne. Acne is a bacterial infection. It is not wound. Am I making sense? So you need to also chill out a bit and try as much as possible to, you know, let your face heal first before you can apply Vaseline on your face. Now, for those of you that have sensitive skin generally, or your face easily gets irritated, even when you don't even have anything on your face is fine, your face is good, but your face easily get irritated. You already know that, okay, yes, my face easily get irritated, though. Do a patch test. Before you say you want to use Vaseline on your neck area, on your face, do a patch test around your neck area. Endeavor to do a patch test because it could irritate your skin and cause acne on your face. Even though it says not comedogenic, it can still cause acne on your face. All these people, they don't know it all. They are not God. Even dermatologists does not know it all. They are not God. They are human beings. They can fail at any point in time. So that is why you need to do a patch test. My body is not the same thing as an influencer body that spoke about using Vaseline on our face. Our skin is not the same. Take it or leave it. Even though we have the same skin type, our skin is still different. So what works for A might not work for B. What works for B might not work for A. So you still need to do a patch test. And don't be in an hurry to say you want to use this product on your face. Patch test for like a week before you start saying, okay, yes, I'm safe. I can do this thing on my face. And try as much as possible not to do things that make your face too sensitive. There are some things that we also do that make our face too sensitive, that any product that we use like this will just get our face really irritated. At the point in time, I used to be like that. At the point in time, I used to do, I used to use warm water, like warm, not extremely hot, but warm water to wash my face. Mix hot water with cold water together, and I used to wash my face. All those things are not too good for the face. If you want to steam your face. But using warm water can actually help your face to get sensitive. Thereby, if you use anything, your face will just start getting irritated. If you use any soap, your face is getting irritated. If you do this, your face is getting irritated. So those are the things that we as humans need to check out if we want to use this Vaseline on our face. So what I'm trying to say is that Vaseline petroleum jelly is very good on the face. You can use it, enjoy yourself, have fun, but please endeavor to know some things that I've stated earlier. And after using it, use your sunscreen. I think it's majorly better if you use it at night. Yes, use it at night, but it depends. Anyhow you want to go about it. But make sure that you use your SPF. Make sure that you use your SPF at the end of the day. Have I answered your question, guys? Have I answered your question? With that being said, that is it for today's video. If you have any requests for me, please endeavor to ask me at the comment section. I'll be there for you guys to respond to you, to do videos for you guys. All right, that is all I have for you guys for now. Many more to come. Do not forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and please share this video as much as you can. See ya. Bye bye.